Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss algebra, exercise 3.18, 8th question. If A is equal to 1 2 by 2 matrix is given, B is equal to 1 2 by 2 matrix is given. Using the two matrices, you want to show that A square plus B square is equal to identity matrix. I is what? Identity matrix. Okay. So in this, first you want to find out A square. Now A square is equal to A multiple A. A square is nothing but what? A multiple A is nothing but A square. Now the matrix A is cos theta 0 0 cos theta multiple again A matrix cos theta 0 0 cos theta. Order of our first matrix is 2 by 2. Order of our second matrix is also 2 by 2. So matrix multiplication is possible because number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. 2 is equal to 2. Therefore product is possible. So result order is 2 rows and 2 columns. Result order is 2 rows and 2 columns. So 2 rows R1 R2. 2 columns, column 1, column 2. This is our result order. Understand? You take first row and the first column. Understand? Multiple. Cos into cos, cos square theta. A multiple A square. Like that. Cos multiple cos, cos square theta. Cos theta multiple cos theta, cos square theta. Next you take second element. In this row you take second element. In this column you take second element. 0 multiple 0, 0. Understand? Again, same first row, second column. Cos theta into 0, 0. Next, take second element here. Here also you take second element. 0 into cos theta, 0. So 2 columns are over. Next you take second row here. Second row, first column. 0 multiple cos theta, 0. Cos theta multiple 0, 0. Understand? Next, same second row, second column you take. 0 multiple 0, 0. Cos theta multiple cos theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta. Now, cos square theta 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus cos square theta, cos square theta. This is A square. Next you find B square. B square is nothing but B multiple B. B square is nothing but B multiple B, B square. So take B matrix. Sin theta, 0, 0, sin theta. Multiple again B matrix. Sin theta, 0, 0, sin theta. Order of our first matrix is 2 by 2. Order of our second matrix is also 2 by 2. So multiplication is possible. So result order is 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. This is our result order. Take first row and first column. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. 0 into 0, 0. Next same first row, second column. Sin into 0, 0. 0 into sin, 0. Next is second row, first column. Second row, first column. 0 into sin theta, 0. Sin into 0, 0. Next second row, second column. 0 into 0, 0. Sin into sin, sin square theta. Sin square theta. Now, sin square theta plus 0, sin square theta, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus sin square theta. Understand? Now you want to find A square plus B square is equal to I. So in our left side we want to find a square plus b square. Now a square plus b square is equal to a square matrix cos square theta 0 0 cos square theta. Cos square theta 0 0 cos square theta plus b square matrix sin square theta 0 0 sin square theta. Understand? Adding these two we get we want to add corresponding elements. Corresponding element of cos square theta is sin square theta. So cos square theta plus sin square theta. Next corresponding element of 0 is 0. 0 plus 0. Next second row 0 plus 0. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. So now cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but what? 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Trigonometry formula we will discuss in trigonometry chapter. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1. Here 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 0. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Understand? This is what? Identity matrix. Identity matrix. 1 0 0 1 is a identity matrix. I denoted by identity matrix. That means a square plus b square is equal to I. A square plus b square matrix is what? Identity matrix. So a square plus b square is equal to identity matrix. Understand? So hence proved. Understand? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. It is trigonometry formula. Okay, next we'll listen question number 9. If A is equal to 1 2 by 2 matrix is given, using the 2 by 2 matrix you want to calculate A. We want to prove A multiple A transpose. A transpose equal to I. A transpose is equal to I. This is transpose T. A transpose is equal to I. Understand? A matrix is given already. So now you take left side. Already A is there. You find A transpose now. A transpose now. A transpose is nothing but interchanging rows and columns. It's called A transpose. So a transpose is matrix. This is column 1. This is column 2. You take first column and write in first row. First column, first row. Cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. First column, first row. Next you take second column and write in second row. Sin theta, cos theta. Sin theta, cos theta. This is A transpose. Finally you want to find out A transpose. A multiple A transpose is nothing but you take A matrix here. Cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. Multiple A transpose. A transpose is cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta. Now we want to multiply these two matrices. Order of our first matrix is 2 by 2. Order of our second matrix is also 2 by 2. Multiplication is possible. Next our result order is 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. Row 1, row 2. 2 rows, columns. How many columns? 2 columns. Column 1, column 2. This is our result order. Understand? You take first row and first column. Cos theta multiple cos theta, cos square theta. Sin theta multiple sin theta plus sin square theta. Understand? Take same first row, second column. Cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Sin theta cos theta plus plus cos theta sin theta. Understand? So second column is over. So both columns are over. Next you take second row here. Second row, first column, minus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Next you take second element. Here also you take second element. Cos theta multiple sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. Understand? Next same second row, second column. Minus sin theta plus sin square theta. Minus sin theta plus minus into minus plus sin into sin square theta. Next you take second element here. Here also you take second element. Cos into cos square theta plus cos square theta. Understand? Now cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but what? 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. Minus cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta gets cancelled. The answer is 0. Minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta gets cancelled. So here also 0. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but what? 1. This is what? Identity matrix. Understand? This is identity matrix. So A transpose is equal to identity matrix. Let's prove. Okay, next one is question number 10. Verify that A square equal to I when A is equal to 5 minus 4, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. A matrix is given. We want to verify A square is equal to I. We want to show or we want to verify A square is equal to I. So given that A matrix is equal to 5 minus 4, 6 minus 5. Now we want to find out our left side A square. A square is nothing but A multiple A. Left side A square is there. You find A square first. A square is nothing but A multiple A. A matrix is 5 minus 4, 6 minus 5 multiple again A matrix 5 minus 4, 6 minus 5. Understand? First matrix order is 2 by 2 or second matrix is also 2 by 2. So matrix multiplication is possible. Already said number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Therefore matrix multiplication is possible. Our result order is 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. Row 1, row 2. Column 1, column 2. This is the order of our result matrix 2 by 2. So take first row, first column. Take first row, first column. 5 is 25. Next second element. Here also I take second element. Minus 4 6s are minus 24. 4 6s are 24. Here minus is there. Minus 4 into 6 minus 24. Next. Same first row, second column. 5 multiple minus 4 minus 24. Next second element. Here also I take second element. Minus 4 multiple minus 5 plus 25. Sorry, plus 4 second column. 5 into minus 4 minus 20. Sorry. First row, second column, first element multiple first element. 5 multiple minus 4 minus 20. Next we move second element. Here also we move second element. Minus 4 multiple minus 5 plus 20. 4 5s are 20. Minus into minus plus. Next, 2 columns are over. Next we take second row here. Second row, first column. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Move second element. Here also move second element. Minus 5 multiple 6 minus 30. Understand? Second row, second column. Next second row, second column. 6 multiple minus 4 minus 24. 6 4s are 24. Here minus is there, so minus 24. Next is second element. Here also take second element. Minus into minus plus 5 by 25 plus 25. Next 25 minus 24 1. Minus 20 plus 20 gets cancelled 0. Plus 30 minus 30 gets cancelled 0. Minus 24 plus 25 1. This is what? A square. This is A square. Now A square is equal to, this matrix is called identity matrix. A square is equal to I. A square is equal to I. Hence proved. Okay, next you listen question number 11. If A is equal to 1 2 by 2 matrix is given and one identity matrix 2 by 2 order is given, show that A square minus A plus D of A is equal to BC minus AD of I2. So from this we can take a left side first. First we want to find out A square. So A square is nothing but A multiple A. A multiple A. Take A matrix A, B, C, D. Again you write A matrix A multiple A, B, C, D. Understand? So order of our first matrix is 2 by 2. Here also 2 by 2 order. Multiplication is possible. Our result order is 2 rows and 2 columns. Row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. This is our result order. Take first row, first column. A multiple A square. B multiple C plus BC. B multiple C plus BC. Same first row, second column multiple. A multiple B, AB. B multiple D plus BD. B multiple D, BD. Next we take second row, first column. C multiple A, AC. CA is nothing but AC. Next D multiple C plus CD. C multiple D, CD plus CD. Second row, second column. C multiple B, BC. D multiple D plus D square. D multiple D, D square plus D square. So this is A square matrix. Next I want to find out A plus D of A. A plus D of A. Now A plus D of A is nothing but A plus D. You take as it is A plus D multiple A matrix. A matrix A, B, C, D. This is not a matrix. A plus D is not a matrix. Understand? This is a value. Want to multiple A plus D inside. Want to multiple A plus D inside. In each and want to multiple A plus D each and every element of this matrix. If you want 3A matrix means 3 is a value. You want to multiple this 3 with A matrix means 3 multiple. Here I want to take A matrix A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. This 3 I want to multiple each and every element of this matrix. This 3 I want to multiple with each and every element of this matrix. 3 multiple A, 3A, 3A, 3 multiple B, 3B, 3 multiple C, 3C, 3 multiple D, 3D. Like that you want to multiple. Here also same thing you want to do. Understand? A plus D multiple A multiple A square, D multiple A plus AD. Understand? Now B multiple A plus D, A multiple B AB, D multiple B plus BD. A plus D multiple C, A multiple C AC, D multiple C DC or CD. A plus D multiple D, A multiple D AD, D multiple D D square. Understand? This is A plus D into A matrix. Understand? Now you want to subtract A plus D into A matrix from A square. A square minus, now you want to calculate A square minus A plus D into A. This you want to find out now. A square matrix, A square plus BC, AB plus BD, AC plus CD, BC plus D square minus A plus D of A matrix. A square plus AD. AB plus BD. AC plus CD. AD plus D square. AD plus D square. So now, your outer sign minus is there. You multiply this minus inside, outer sign become positive. So you do one step. A square plus BC, you keep this matrix as it is. AB plus BD, AC plus CD, BC plus D square. Multiply this minus inside, outer sign becomes positive. Plus, so this minus means all the positive signs become negative, all the negative signs become positive. So minus of A square minus AD. This one is minus AB minus BD. This one minus AC minus CD. This one minus AD minus D square. Understand? Now subtract this. A square plus BC, corresponding elements you want to subtract. Corresponding element of A square plus BC is minus A square minus AD. Minus A square minus AD. Next you take second element, AB plus BD. Corresponding element of this element is minus AB minus BD. Understand? First row, next you come to second row, AC plus CD. Corresponding element of this minus AC minus CD. Next is second element, BC plus D square. Corresponding element of this is minus AD minus D square. Understand? Now, plus A square minus A square gets cancelled. Remaining is BC minus AD. BC minus AD. Here, plus AB minus AB gets cancelled. Plus BD minus BD gets cancelled. Our answer is 0. In this term, plus AC minus AC gets cancelled. CD minus CD, thus that also gets cancelled. The answer is 0. The answer is 0. Here, BC not cancelled. Plus G square minus G square gets cancelled. Remaining is BC minus AD. BC minus AD. BC minus AD. This is what? I'm going to write here, listen. So from this, in this step, BC minus AD, commonly we can take outside. BC minus AD is there. BC minus AD, commonly we take outside. What we get? BC minus AD, we take outside means, this BC minus AD go to outside means, there is 1. There is 1. Here 0. Here also 0. BC minus AD already we have taken outside. So, there also 1. Understand? So, now we can multiply this BC minus AD inside. We can get this, We can get this step. Multiply BC minus AD multiply 1. BC minus AD. BC minus AD into 0, 0. BC minus AD into 0, 0 only. BC minus AD into 1, BC minus AD. Understand? Now, BC minus AD, this is what? Identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. This is identity matrix. Understand? This is what? A square minus A plus D into A is equal to BC minus AD into I. A square minus of A plus D into A is equal to BC minus AD into I. This is 2 into 2 order. Identity matrix, order of this identity matrix is 2 by 2. Simply this identity matrix we can write I2. I2 means identity matrix, the order of our identity matrix is 2 by 2. Understand? So hence proved. Okay, next we'll listen question number 12. When A matrix is given, order of that A matrix is 2 by 3 and B matrix is given. Order of B matrix is 3 by 2. Using the two matrices, you want to verify that AB the whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. First you find the left side. Within the bracket AB is there. According to our Bodmas rule, our first preference is bracket. So within the bracket AB is there. First you find AB. Now AB is equal to A matrix 5, 2, 9, 1, 2, 8. Multiple B matrix is 1, 7, 1, 2, 5, minus 1. Order of our first matrix is 2 rows, 3 columns. 2 rows, 3 columns. Order of our second matrix is 3 rows, 2 columns. So number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Therefore matrix multiplication is possible. Our result order is 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows, row 1, row 2. And 2 columns, column 1, column 2. Understand? Now you take first row, first column. 5 multiple 1, 5. Next second element. Here also I take second element. 2 ones are 2 plus 2. 2 ones are 2 plus 2. Next third element. 9 5s are 45 plus 45. Next same first row you take second column. 5 multiple 7, 35. 2 multiple 2 plus 4. 9 multiple minus 1 minus 9. Minus 9. Next second row. 2 columns are over. Next you take second row first column. Second row first column. 1 ones are 1. Next second element. 2 ones are plus 2. Next 8 5s are 40 plus 40. 8 5s are 40 plus 40. Next second row second column. Second row, second column. 1 7s are 7. 2 2s are plus 4. 8 into minus 1 minus 8. Multiplication is over. Next. 45 plus 5, 50. 50 plus 2, 52. Here 35 plus 4, 39 minus 9, 30. 40, 42, 43. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 minus 8, 3. This is AB. But in our left side, AB whole transpose is there. Now you find AB whole transpose. AB whole transpose is equal to, transpose means what? Interchanging rows and columns. Interchanging rows and columns is called the transpose. Now we want to interchanging the rows and columns. Then only we get transpose of matrix. So take first column and write in first row. Take second column and write in second row. So first column, first row. First column 52, 43. 52, 43. Next, second column, second row. You take second column 33. Write in row. Understand? This is our left side answer, you take 1. This is our left side answer, you take 1. Next we will come to right side. B transpose, A transpose. In this first you find B transpose. B transpose. You want to interchange rows and columns. You want to interchange rows and columns. Then only you get B transpose. B matrix is there. You take first column and write in first row. 1 1 5, 1 1 5. Second row, second column, second row. 7 2 minus 1, 7 2 minus 1. This is B transpose. So B transpose is over. Next you find A transpose. A transpose is equal to interchanging rows and columns. First column you write first row. Second column you write in second row. Third column you write third row. 9, 8. Understand? Finally you want to find out B transpose, A transpose. B transpose, A transpose is equal to B transpose matrix 1 1 5 7 2 minus 1. A transpose matrix 5 1 2 2 9 8. Order of our first matrix is 2 rows and 3 columns. Order of our second matrix is 3 rows and 2 columns. So matrix multiplication is possible because the number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. Therefore, product of B transpose A transpose is possible. Our result order will be 2 rows and 2 columns. row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. This is our result order. You take first row and first column. 1 5s are 5. Next second element, here also you take second element, 1 2s are 2 plus 2. Next third element, 5 9s are 45 plus 45. So first column is over. Next you take same first row, second column you take. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 5 8s are 40. Two columns are over. Next you take second row, first column. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. 2 2s are plus 4. Minus 1 into 9 minus 9. Next. Second row, second column you take. 7 1s are 7. 2 2s are plus 4. Minus 1 into 8 minus 8. Finally, 45 plus 5 50. 50 plus 2 52. 50 plus 2 52. 1 plus 2 3 43. 35 plus 4 39. 39 minus 9 30. 7 plus 4 11. 11 minus 8 3. This is right side answer, you take 2. Now you compare 1 and 2. What we get? 52, 43, 33. Understand? From 1 and 2 we get LHS is equal to RHS. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get left side equal to right side. That means AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Hence verified. Okay, next you listen question number 13. If A is equal to 1 2 by 2 matrix is given, using that matrix you want to show, otherwise you want to prove A square minus 5A plus 7I2 is equal to 0. 0 is nothing but O matrix. O matrix is nothing but null matrix or empty matrix. Sorry, null matrix. Understand? Null matrix. So, now left side A square, otherwise you find separately A square minus 5A plus 7I2. First you find A square. A square is nothing but A multiple A. A multiple A. A matrix is 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Multiple again A matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Understand? Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Order of this matrix also 2 by 2. So multiplication is possible because column of our first matrix is equal to number of columns in our first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. The matrix multiplication is possible. So our result order is 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. Row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2. This is our result order. Now you take first row, first column. 3 3s are 9. 1 into 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Next same side, first row, second column. 3 1s are 3. 1 into 2 plus 2. 2 columns are over. Next you take second row, first column. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Next, second row, second column. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 2 2s are plus 4. What do you get? 9 minus 1, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 3 minus 2, minus 5. Minus 1 plus 4, plus 3. This is A square. Understand? Next, minus 5A is there. Directly we can write. Now we take left side. A square minus 5A plus 7I2 is nothing but. Here you take A square matrix. A square matrix 8, 5, minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 of A matrix. A matrix 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Plus, the plus is there. Plus 7 of I2 matrix. 2 into 2 order of I matrix. I matrix is in the order 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 I matrix is 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1. Now you calculate this. Before adding and subtracting these three matrices, First you want to multiply this 5 inside. Here also want to multiply 7 inside. You keep this matrix as it is. 8, 5, minus 5, 3. This minus 5 multiple inside means the outer sign become positive. Directly you multiple minus 5 inside. So this sign become positive. So minus 5 multiple 3 minus 15. Minus 5 multiple 1 minus 5. Minus 5 multiple 1 plus 5. Minus 5 minus 1 plus 5. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10. Plus 7 1s are 7. 0 into 7 0. 7 into 0 0. 7 1s are 7. Finally you want to add these 3 matrices. Understand? Corresponding elements you want to add. 8. Corresponding element of 8 is minus 15. Corresponding element of minus 15 is 7. Second element 5 minus 5 0. 5 minus 5 0. Minus 5 plus 5 0. Minus 5 plus 5 0. 3 minus 10 plus 7. 3 minus 10 plus 7. Finally we get 8 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15, plus 15, minus 15, 0. Plus 5, minus 5, 0. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. 3 plus 7, 10, plus 10. Plus 10 minus 10, 0. So this is what? Null matrix. Null matrix represented in O. Understand? A square minus 5a plus 7i2 is equal to 0. Hence verified. Understand? Verified. A square minus 5a plus 7i2 is equal to 0. The answer is a square minus 5a plus 7i2 is equal to 0. Understand?